What is she talking about? What kind of skipped balloons? What? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you? I am ready to take whatever I skipped from my previous video and make something interesting and unique looking. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, what kind of skipped balloons, then I would suggest you go watch my previous video and maybe come back here, or stay here, watch this one and go back to that one and watch that one. That video, my previous video, will be linked in the description under the video. This video is sponsored by Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. That company sent me these balloons and these are gorgeous but very unique for balloon garland. I am using these latex balloons with printed confettis on them. These are 36-inch. I do have exactly the same style but only in 11-inch. I am using foiled sunflower, huge sunflower balloons. Those are stunning looking. I cannot wait to share them with you, and a few orbs balloons that are already blown, and I still have a few more to blow. If you're going to be interested in purchasing anything, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This code only works at Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company's website. Everything will be linked in the description under the video. Without any further ado, let's jump in because I'm really excited. First things first, you guys, I will start with my confetti balloons. This is a pack of 50 balloons. These are 11-inch. I will be blowing them in two pairs, so two balloons at the same time. And like usual, after blowing my balloons, I'm kind of pressing them down to give these balloons more rounder shape, and I'm tying them into pairs. Blow one of the 36-inch balloons. I will be blowing them individually and tying them individually, and I'll show you how I tie them because I do get questions about how I tie these balloons. Here's the thing, the longer this neck is, the better it is for you, the easier it is to tie your balloons. More thing, you guys, working with your clear balloons, you need to blow them until they are looking clear. As you can see here, this balloon doesn't look clear, it does look cloudy, so that means it's not blown to the right size. Much clearer than it was before, and it does look like it's a 36-inch balloon. If your 36-inch balloons, which it happened to me, has a really short neck, it is a lot harder to tie them up, so you need to stretch it out as much as you can. But these guys, it's a lot easier because the neck is pretty long and you just tuck in. To our orbs balloons, you guys, orbs balloons, they need to be blown until you won't see any wrinkles on your balloon. So that's what we're gonna do with my leftover non-blown orbs balloons. This time I'm going to take that hole that you insert right on top of your nozzle without using any straws. It kind of worked for me. I tried once, twice, and many more times, and it worked every single time. So just pop your balloon right on top of that nozzle and start blowing. Doing exactly the same thing with these sunflower balloons, but the only difference in these balloons, you have to blow in two spots. You have to blow the stem and you have to blow this flower. So let's go with the flower. Stunning this balloon looks. taking my 20-pound fishing line and tying this fishing line to one of my balloon pair. All right, let's take a second pair, put it right on top of your first and kind of pinch it with your fingers like this. Take your fishing line and wrap around newly placed balloon once. Pull on your fishing line, push your balloons together. Try not to pull too hard because you can cut your balloons. One more wrap around newly placed balloon. Do the same thing, push and pull. And that's how you're going to create or build the base for your balloon garland. I'm working just with this size of balloons, and then individually I will be adding my chrome balloons or orbs balloons and my sunflower balloons. Secure my garland, I cut a long string of a fishing line, holding my fishing line with one hand, and with the other I am wrapping this tail around one of the balloons. Now I created this loop over here, so take this tail and feed it through the loop. Pull on your tail, that way you're going to tie some knots, and those knots will hold your balloon garland together. Now you guys, this balloon garland looks really typical, like a typical balloon column. I don't like that. Now it's a good time for me to play around with balloons to kind of switch spots, you know, for balloons to switch spots, and I just twist them and turn them and try to find exactly what I want, like what kind of shape I want out of this balloon garland. Look at this. I only switched what, 4 balloons, and already it looks so much better. You guys, to hang my balloon garland, I take my extra piece of fishing line, I wrap that fishing line around my balloon garland. I do pin a safety pin to my fabric and then take that extra wrapped fishing line around my balloon garland, take it to that safety pin and tie it on that safety pin. That's how I do hang all of my garlands on my backdrops. If you don't have a backdrop, I suggest to use ½ pound command hooks. Those work really good, no damage to your walls or paint. 100% tested. If you need a close-up on how I hang my garlands on command hooks and on my backdrop with safety pins, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands in the description under the video. I do show close-ups and hopefully that video will be helpful. Let's go. It's so cute. Look at this. It looks so adorable. I love it. I want to switch things up. I like this. I like the placement of this garland. I really do. But I'm just not seeing how everything else will work together. Like those sunflower balloons. Those are gorgeous. I love them. But I'm having a hard time fitting them into this right now. So I want to switch the placement of this garland, and first things first, I feel like I want to, let's just switch the placement of the garland and then we'll figure out what we're going to do with our sunflower balloons. These dashes, so basically this is glue dots but in form of squares. And by the way, this is from Dale Paper and Balloon Company. These squares, you guys, don't be fooled by them. They do hold amazing. I love these guys better than usual glue dots that I'm using. I don't know, I'm not feeling this orb balloon over there. I feel like I want to get rid of it and just work with my confetti balloons and the remaining confetti balloons. And then I have 2 more sunflowers that I will include into this garland. So let's fix this. I am struggling with this balloon garland, I really do. And here's the thing, sometimes you can get inspired so easily, and it can be so easy for you to create something. Today is not the most inspiring day for me. I don't know why I'm struggling with this. So I feel like I want to remove this 36-inch balloon and work only with sunflowers. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's try this again. Here is what I have for you guys today. Very unusual, unique looking balloon garland. It's very fall-like balloon setup. I really like it. I really liked working with these sunflowers. The yellow part is much richer in color than on camera, and they are really easy and very fun to work with. These guys over here, these green stems, they are detachable, so you can detach them. You just gently peel them off. These stems are holding on 2 glue dots in the back, and very easy to attach and detach them. Quality of these confetti balloons are great. I had a great time working with them. Nothing popped or any of them had holes. These copper balloons are great as well. I don't know if it's too much. I thought they would kind of match the lines on my sunflowers. I thought they kind of bring something different to garland. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Everything that I used will be linked in the description under the video. These sunflowers, I attached them on my adhesive glue squares. That's how I called them. And they do hold very, very well. Behind this sunflower, I added 1 more balloon, so it's kind of holding my sunflower upright. Other than that, it's kind of like leaning towards my backdrop. Yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. This is it, you guys. This is my take on this backdrop garland. I hope it was inspiring. I hope it was helpful and it was enjoyable to watch. If it was, you guys, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. That would be always helpful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos and creative ideas. If you have any additional questions about anything, then go ahead and leave your questions in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer every single one of them to the best of my abilities. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!